And the wrap, Magnolia's Classic draws for your lead. Canadian Girl is already outside. Supervise comes next, then followed by Jamal. Alasis Touch next in line. Mr. Classmate Pass approaching already outside. He stay at home, ma'am. Past the 900 meters post. Magnolia's Classic in command by about 2 lengths. Canadian Girl is in second with a gap of 3 lengths back in third. Supervise. Jamal is running by the railport, then moving up alongside. He stay at home, Mamales is touch as they rounded the last 600 and now working to the final 450. It's Magnolia's Classic about to throw the challenge on the outside. Is Canadian Girl as they turn for home. 2 runners now parting it out for the lead. Magnolia's Classic, Canadian Girl, Supervise running in third. Then comes Alasis Touch, Jamal. And down the stretch they come. Magnolia's Classic by the rail, Canadian Girl, Supervise in third. And comes Alasis Touch with 75 meters. Magnolia's Classic, Canadian Girl is already outside. And finally, it's a tight photo between Magnolia's Classic, Canadian Girl. Then comes Supervise, Alasis Touch, Mr. Classmate Jamal, and Stay at Home Mom.